Okay, hi everyone. Welcome to the second part of practicing SQL. Okay, so as you can see here, we are still in our command prompt, right? And I have created a few. Created one database here, which is hospital. So let's just recap what we have learned previously. Okay, so if you can see here, right, so basically number one, we have learned on how to create a database, what is the query, okay, what is the SQL instruction. So when I said query here means the SQL instruction. So we have learned about how to create a database, how to show a database, and also how to use a database. Okay, let's say we want to delete a database. We don't want to use that database anymore. So what is the SQL query is? Yes, if you can see here, drop database. So now let's try to delete the database that we have created just now. Don't worry, this database is still empty. There's no table inside, so we can remove it. So let's say I put drop database hospital. Okay, I need to put in a small letter. Query OK means that this hospital have been deleted. So how we can check? We just start back show databases. Okay, so there are no longer database hospital. Alright. Okay, so let's look at a new query. Okay, let's say we want to create a table. Okay, if you can see here, this is the syntax for creating a table. I have a create table book, column name, data type, and also if you have more than one, normally a table will have more than one column, so you can just separate it by comma and then column name, data type, comma, and so on. Okay, so let's look at this one diagram here. Okay, if you see here, later on we will create a new database named Amazon, and inside Amazon we will create one table named book, and this book will have three columns, which is ISBN, title, and quantity. So far our database is still empty lah. Okay, these two arrow represent that inside each database we can have a number of tables, so it's not necessarily only one, and normally it will have more than one table. Okay, so here, since I already deleted the hospital database, so I create a new one. Create database Amazon. Okay, and then I need to, maybe I can check whether it is created or not. Okay, my Amazon is there, and then let's say okay, let's select our database. Okay, database change. So let's create this table books here. So what are the query that we are going to use? We are going to use this one. Okay, since we are going to have three columns, so our query will be create table book, ISBN. Okay, data type here, maybe we can put varchar or integer. Okay, title we can put varchar as well, quantity we can put integer. Okay, let's just try one simple example. Okay, create table books. Okay, open bracket, then let's say I enter. First one is ISBN. I want it to be integer. Okay, and I just put comma. So then my second one is title, right? Okay, title. I put varchar. Varchar means variable and varies character. So it can be alphabet, it can have numbers, right? So for varchar we need to set its numbers of character. So maybe I put 200, comma, and the last one is quantity. So I put integer as well. Okay, I just close bracket and I enter. So meaning that I have created one table, which is table books. So how can we check our table? Okay, we can use describe books. Okay, so when we use the word when we use the keyword describe books, meaning that we want to know more detail about these books. Okay, alright. Let's look here. Okay, the next query that we're going to look is that alter table. Alter table means that let's say we want to do correction, we want to change a column name, or we want to set some constraint. Constraint here can be, let's say we don't want that column to be empty, so you can put not now. Let's say it's a primary key, okay, or you want it to be unique and it cannot be repeated. So we are going to use alter. Alright, so let's use this keyword alter. Okay, so let's say I write alter table books, open bracket. Okay, oops, before that change column name. Okay, so let's say we are changing let's say we're changing ISBN. So we put the new name, or maybe the same name, but maybe we are going to add one constraint, which is not now. So meaning that ISBN here is the old column name, ISBN here is the new column name. So since I'm not changing the column name, so it should remain the same. New data type is integer, so I just want to add not now as the constraint. So I just semicolon and enter. So let's just describe our table. Okay, so if you can see the changes here, ISBN type null is no, so meaning that this ISBN cannot be empty, in other words. Alright, okay, maybe we try another one. Okay, so for alter, let's try another one. This is for changing table. So alter table books. Okay, let's change title to title again, the same name, varchar, same 200, but I want to add unique. Okay, so meaning that this table this row title or the column title must be unique and cannot be repeated. Okay, So query is okay. So I just write describe books. Okay, so if you can see here, my title now is not now. Yes, it can be now, but it must be unique, right? Okay, so in the next video I'm going to show you how we're going to insert data into this table. Right? Thank you.